Hi and welcome to 2 Minutes of Tech. Today we'll look at the basics of Colgate's Event Management System, or EMS. To get started, navigate to ems.colgate.edu, hover over My Account, click on Login and log in with your Colgate credentials. Once authorized, hover over Reservations and click on Standard Room Request to begin a search for a potential meeting space. Pick the date for your event and set up reoccurrence as you see fit. Note that the default date selected is 3 days in the future. EMS forces you to reserve rooms 3 days from the current date. If you need to reserve a room sooner than that, you will need to contact the room scheduler. A list of schedulers for specified spaces is found on the EMS homepage. Select the meeting start and end time, either by entering a number followed by an A or a P, or choose from the list by clicking on the clock icon. Select the facility where your meeting takes place, or click on the magnifying glass icon to include multiple locations in your search. Under Setup Information, enter the number of attendees for your event. Use the Availability Filters section to further fine-tune your search. For instance, under Room Type, select the type of location needed. If you're just looking for a space, leave the default at All Facilities. Under Features, select specific technologies that are needed for the meeting. For example, check the DVD player checkbox. Finally, click on Find Space. A search result grid will appear with 2 vertical bars indicating the exact time of the meeting. Blue horizontal bars indicate the times when the desired location is occupied. In other words, everything that is not blue and that falls between the 2 red vertical lines is available for the reservation. Clicking on the name of the location will bring up the Location Details window, where you can see room details, setup types, and features for this room, as well as the photographs of the AV systems. To begin reserving this room, click on the green plus icon next to the location name. Doing so will add the selected location to the upper grid. Click Continue. Enter the event name and select the type of the event. The Host drop-down must show the name of the department hosting the event. If a department is not listed, click on the magnifying glass icon to bring up the search window. Enter a search term and click on the magnifying glass. Note that you can enter only part of the search term and it will return all possible hosts. For example, try typing an A to see how many results you get. Click on the green plus icon to select that host. Click on the red X icon to remove selected host. Click Done to return to the Reservation Details window. Select the name of the contact from the first contact drop-down list and the basic information should automatically populate. Describe the event in the event description box and review the warning text right below. Select Yes from the drop-down and click on Submit Reservation. You will see a warning box about requesting AV equipment and AV support for your meeting. Go ahead and close the warning by clicking on the X. Under Actions, you can cancel your event entirely by clicking on the red X. You can also edit the event details of the event. Click on the green plus icon in the Services section to add extra services to your request. For instance, to request extra AV equipment, click on AV Equipment and check the checkboxes next to the special equipment that you desire. Similarly, if you need staff support, simply click on AV Staff Support and click Save. If you want to outline any other needs, simply use the Enter Other AV Needs Here link. Please note that the request for additional services such as special equipment and support staff are subject to availability. Hover over Reservations and click on View My Requests to see all your requests in one place. Check the Show Cancel checkbox to display cancelled events as well.